Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to automate your holiday card sending using Thanks.io so that a card goes out every year or just this year. Either way, you want to do it whenever you add somebody to the Thanks.io system. So what we're going to do first is we're going to click on Image Templates on the left side, and we're going to go down to where it says Note Cards and Gift Cards. And we have the option to either upload a note card or gift card design, but I'm just going to go ahead here and click Design and use the built-in Canva integration. So once I'm signed into Canva, I can go ahead and search a template. I'll just do Christmas here. And you'll see we have a bunch of different designs that Canva will give us right here. If you want to do Happy Holidays and keep it non-Christmas, you can just do Happy Holidays. And I'll also mention that you can, of course, do birthday cards the same way or any other holiday you want, the same way that I'm showing you here, but I'm recording this in November of 2022, so we're going to focus on Christmas or the holidays right now. So there's our Happy Holidays. You can see here you could swap in, use Canva's feature, swap in a picture of your business or your family, whatever you might be doing. So we'll go ahead and we'll save this card. It'll bring it right into the Thanks.io platform. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at it and rename it for the future. I do like to do that because there are different places around Thanks.io where you might want to grab that later. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the actual message side of our note card or gift card. So I'm going to go to Message Templates, the top left. I'm going to click Add Message, and here's where you're going to decide whether you want to send a gift card where you can enclose from any number of national brands. So just know that you can select the brand here and choose to send everybody on your gift card list maybe a $5 or $10 gift card, or if you want to send them one at a time, just know you can do that if you don't want to send to everybody. But for now, I'm just going to do a simple note card right here, and I'm going to call it Happy Holidays. And I'm just going to say, hi, Happy Holidays. Scan the QR code to hear me singing Silent Night. Silent Night. Just kidding. I just want to mention you could put a URL in that goes anywhere you want. It could be you singing or whatever to make the card a little more interactive and fun. So if somebody scans the actual QR code that gets put on the message, they'll be taken to whatever it is that you're offering when they scan, and you'll also be notified by email. So this is probably more common in a business scenario, but even if you're doing this for your personal cards, it might be fun to have somebody scan and maybe have your family singing or something fun like that. So just I'll mention that, just know that the QR code is optional. I'll take it out for now, but just want to show you that that is optional. And we will click and save the message template now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up a quick Thanks.io automation campaign. This is also optional, but this is kind of good form, especially if you want to automate the sending every year. I'm going to click Add New Campaign. I'm going to click Note Card for what to send, and I'm going to choose my image and my message template right here. And I'm going to set it up so it goes out to my Christmas card mailing list every year. So I do need a mailing list set up for that first. Kind of went out of order, but I'll just do a quick little list. Xmas card list. Okay. And now I can start to manually add people to this list if I want to, or I can upload new people to it. But going back to the campaign template, it went a little bit out of order. Now I can create the campaign that says, hey, send my Christmas card message and my image to my Christmas card list every year. And what's really cool is I can choose holiday, and I can choose right around Christmas time. So Christmas Eve. And what will happen is this will be set to mail right around 8 days before Christmas Eve, so that it lands, either a day before or two, or a day after. Or if you want to send it earlier, you can say, hey, send it on a specific date every year. So I click yearly, and let's just say I want it to land on or about the 21st of December. I can do that as well. So I'll click Save. So the reason I built this campaign is that what I can now do is I can, throughout the year, add people to my mailing list that this is attached to, my Christmas card list, and know that the image and the message that I've set up will automatically go out. So if you're an advanced business user and you want to tie this to your CRM, for example, customer management system, you could say, hey, anytime somebody is added to my database, go ahead and stick them on my Christmas card list right there. And know that you could actually not only send Christmas cards, but maybe you say, hey, I'll send a Happy Easter card, or I'll send a you know, something every year in the middle of the summer. You can do your promos and have all these rules attached to this main promotional list that you have. But let's stay with the topic at hand here to do our Christmas cards. So the logic is built out. Anytime somebody lands on my mailing list, they will automatically get that Christmas card. And now the last thing to do is to go ahead and add people to our Christmas card list, which you can do a number of different ways. First off, you can just manually click add to list, manually enter an address that way. The other thing you can do is you can upload from a CSV. So here on the screen I have the format. It's very simple. Just have a name, column, street address, city, state, zip, just like this. And you are good to go. And what you would do is you would just download this and you would re-upload it to thanks.io. So let me just show you that. I'll just download it really quick. I'll go into my mailing list again. I'll click add to list, click upload from CSV. Click B-Days, and it'll upload my whole list. So if you want to do this one time now, very easy to do. And you'll see it automatically maps the columns, but if you need to, you fill in the ones that it didn't automatically map. So the one that said street address, I had to choose address right there. Save and process. And what this will do is we'll add anybody on and upload CSV to the list. The other thing you can do is you can hook this up to Zapier, which I mentioned a minute ago. If you're a little more advanced, you can hook this up to a CRM system and build a rule that says anytime somebody gets added to either my CRM, you could even use Zapier and say anytime somebody gets added to my spreadsheet, automatically put them onto this mailing list. Lots of different ways to automate and do this. But in a nutshell, what we've just done is created either an automated or a one-time holiday card sending campaign with thanks.io. I started by building out a quick little image template. Remember, I could have added a gift card to every send if I wanted to. I used Canva to build my image, or you can upload your own. I went and I wrote a quick little message. If you want to have a little extra fun, you can have somebody scan a QR code to either get a gift or to hear a message from you. Remember, the QR code section is right up here. I went and I created a quick little mailing list, just a blank one, so that I could start to add people to it. Once I had my mailing list built, I built a quick campaign rule right here that said, hey, every year on or about the holidays, go ahead and send everybody on that list my note card, so that now anytime somebody's added, they'll automatically get it. And I'll make one last comment on that. As you start to add people to the list, they'll automatically get your card. And beyond that, all you might want to do is just go through once a year, set a recurring appointment with yourself, maybe every November or something, for this particular campaign, and just change the image and the message template in the system so that people don't get the same holiday card every year. But other than that, that is how you execute an automated holiday card campaign using thanks.io's various features and campaign logic.